Hey everyone, picture this. It's 12:57 a.m. on a quiet Thursday night, and you're jolted awake by a notification. Your bank account just flagged an overspending alert you didn't see coming. But what if, instead of panic, you had an AI sidekick whispering in your ear, "Hey, I've already sorted your bills, predicted next month's cash flow, and even saved you $20 on subscriptions. Go back to sleep." That's not sci-fi. It's the power of AI finance apps revolutionizing how beginners like you master money in 2025. Welcome to Padded Vibes, where I'm peeling back the curtain on 5 cutting-edge AI budget trackers: Monarch, Clio, YNAB, Copilot, and Pocket Guard, unveiling their secrets to effortless financial control. If this midnight money wake-up call excites you, smash that like button to fuel this video's rise, and stay tuned till the end for a late-night budgeting hack that could save your next paycheck. Let's dive into the future of finance. If you missed our last video exploring 4 AI image editing techniques, like swapping Ronaldo's jersey for a cricket kit or stepping onto the Oscars stage, take a moment to check it out in the playlist. It's a fantastic complement to today's financial focus, blending visual flair with money management to supercharge your faceless content game. You won't want to miss how they sync up. Let's set the stage. These AI finance apps aren't magic wands. They're smart tools that automate the grind of budgeting, syncing your accounts, and forecasting expenses, but they're not certified advisors. Think of them as a trusty co-pilot, not the captain. Your input shapes their insights, so review their work and trust your gut. And here's the truth bomb. They only work if you check in regularly and stick to the plan. With that mindset, you're ready to turn financial stress into a smooth ride. What's keeping you up at night about money? Unexpected bills, or just not knowing where it's going? Spill it in the comments and I'll drop personalized tips to ease your mind. Let's build this community one late night chat at a time. To choose the right app, focus on key features: automatic expense sorting to save hours, secure bank syncing for live updates, AI insights to catch overspending, visual charts for quick clarity, goal-setting tools to stay focused, ironclad security, and pricing that fits your wallet. These elements transform raw numbers into a roadmap, and I've road tested them to bring you the best. Imagine glancing at a graph and knowing exactly where to cut back. That's the power here. What's one financial dream you'd chase with these tools? A new gadget or a dream vacation? Share it below and let's motivate each other to start. Leading off with app number 1, Monarch Money, your financial observatory. This app tracks budgets, net worth, investments, and property values on a stunning dashboard, with AI predicting cash flow using your past spending, like flagging that holiday gift spree coming up. I've used it to monitor everything from savings to crypto, making it perfect for beginners craving a holistic view over basic tracking. It's priced at $14.99 per month or $100 a year with a 7-day trial, but it can feel like overkill if you're just starting. Late night tip: use the trial to explore its depth, perfect for a midnight runny audit. Ever wanted one app to rule your finances? Comment your take and like if Monarch's scope impresses you. It's been a game changer for Padded Vibes planning. Next up, app number 2, Copilot Budget App, the design darling for Apple fans. Its machine learning crafts adaptive budgets that learn your habits, adjusting categories and rolling over funds, all wrapped in a gorgeous iOS and Mac interface. I've tracked investments and daily spends here, and the visuals keep me engaged. Ideal for beginners who love style with substance. It's $95 to $100 a year with the trial, but Android users are left out. Midnight hack: test the trial to see if its charts click for you. Engagement soars with clear data. Team iOS or Android? Let me know below and subscribe for more tech insights. Copilot's elegance has spiced up my financial content. Shifting to app number 3, YNAB, the disciplined master of zero-based budgeting, where every dollar gets assigned a purpose. Its AI lets you ask, "Did I overspend on takeout?" and delivers analysis with tips. I've used it to enforce structure, perfect for beginners tackling debt or seeking control, though it has a learning curve. It's $14.99 per month or $109 a year with a 34-day trial, backed by top-tier resources. Ethical note: pair it with manual checks to master it. What habit would you ditch with YNAB? Late night snacks or online shopping? Comment below and let's support each other. This app's rigor has sharpened my financial focus on Padded Vibes. Now app number 4, Clio, the sassy chatbot that turns budgeting into a party. Chat with Clio, "How's my spending?" and get a roast for overspending or a hype for saving, with AI spotting cancelable subscriptions. I've leveraged its fun tone to boost engagement, great for beginners needing motivation. The free version rocks, with premium at $5.99 per month. Midnight tip: embrace its humor. It's a standout. Serious or fun finance tools? Your pick. Drop it below and share this video if Cleo's vibe hits home. Its personality has jazzed at my content creation. Closing with app number 5, Pocket Guard, the simplicity guru. Its In My Pocket feature shows what's safe to spend after bills and goals, using AI to categorize transactions live. I've used it for quick, can I buy this checks? Ideal for beginners wanting clarity over complexity. Free to start, with Plus at $12.99 per month or $74.99 per year. But it's light on intricate finances. Midnight challenge? Test it with one account now. What's your next purchase to check? Comment below and like if simplicity wins. This tool keeps my budgeting vibes effortless. Maximize these with small steps. Link one account, verify AI daily, set alerts, test trials, and prioritize security with encryption. All apps here deliver. Avoid traps like hidden fees, bad syncing, over-reliance, or risky permissions. Stick to read-only access. These habits have smoothed my financial tracking on Padded Vibes. Pick your match. Full View, Monarch. Discipline, YNAB. Simplicity, Pocket Guard. Fun, Cleo. Design, Copilot. Test one for a month and watch your money vibe shift. You've powered through. Proof that you're ready to rule your finances. Likes to spread this wisdom, subscribe for weekly hacks, and share with a friend needing a boost. Comment Money Vibes for a free checklist emailed to the first 50. Grab it now. Which app's calling you? Let's chat below. Thanks for vibing with Padded Vibes. Stay sharp, stay vibing, and I'll catch you next time.